So I have with me here a Camry 2010. The engine has been misfiring. I'll be using my scan tool to figure out the exact cylinder that it's misfiring. So just stay tuned. So a misfire can be caused by a number of things, either a foul spark plug, a faulty injector. So I'll be plugging my VCI here. And the green light means there's power. The blue light means this VCI, this vehicle communication interface, or the dongle, has paired with the scan tool. All right, so I'm using an Autel Maxi Pro MP 808CS. All right, so once we power up, it brings up to this screen. Sorry for the reflection. I'll try as much as possible to reduce the reflection. So we go to diagnostics. Alright, so we hit this VIN here so that it can detect the VIN for us automatically. Alright, just give it a few seconds to scan. It's a Toyota. It's going to ask if it's a touch button or if it's a smart key or not a smart key. So, okay, it's a TMMK Kentucky from the US. Smart key or without smart key. So the car has a touch button, and so it means it uses a smart key. Alright, so we just confirm the values. Yes, this is the car, this is the VIN number, and we hit the yes. Alright, so while it is loading, I currently have the car idling, so I want to see if I can catch the misfire currently happening. The longer the engine runs, the easier for me to find out which of the cylinders is misfiring. So there's the auto scan. Is if you want to run a scan on all the systems of the car, you do this, but I'm just interested in the engine because that's where the misfire is happening. But if I needed to check the whole car, I would have run the auto scan. So just go to the engine. Yes. Alright, so let's first look at the trouble code because I can see that the check engine light is turned on. So let's look for why the check engine light is turned on. Alright, so the check engine light is being turned on because of the oxygen sensor heater control circuit. So this oxygen sensor needs to be replaced. There's a fault with the heater component of it, and this is the one on the bank 1 sensor 2, meaning the one after the catalytic converter. This is the downstream oxygen sensor. Alright, so let's go to the live data section, which is where we'll see what's happening real time at the engine. So right now I'm interested in two things. I want to look at the fuel trim values, and then we'll look at for the misfire. So the current system is currently in closed loop, which is a good thing. So since the upstream oxygen sensor is working, I can get my value. So the short fuel trim is currently 1.5, the long fuel trim is doing minus 10.157%. Then we go all the way down to look for the misfire. So this car supports the misfiring monitor. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom, there you go, cylinder 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so so I ticked just what I wanted and I clicked the show. So I've filtered out all the noise and we're just looking at what we want to look at. So I'm going to rev the engine and we monitor the misfire. Okay, so you see the engine is currently misfiring on cylinder 3. So I'm picking up some misfires on cylinder 3. Alright, I even felt some shaking. I felt some tremor. I felt the engine shake right inside the car because the misfiring was plenty. So we'll be opening up the engine, look at cylinder 3 and figure out what the issue is. Probably a fouled spark plug or a leaky injector. And I'm also getting negative fuel trim here. This is a bit on the high side, so this likely fuel is not being burned well on cylinder 3, or we'll have a leaky nozzle there. Alright, so these are the spark plugs that we just brought out from the engine. So we can see the electrodes are almost gone. This spark plug has put in a lot of, has worked so hard. You can see all the spark stains here, and the electrode here is almost gone. This is also the spark plug on the other cylinder. So one was from cylinder 2 and one from cylinder 3. This was from the cylinder this was from the problematic cylinder, the cylinder 3. You can see the tip here is almost, the tip here is almost gone. I'll be getting some new ones and showing you exactly how the new ones are, but you can see the spark plug has fought the good fight of faith and needs to be changed. See all the sparks. No, we need to change the spark plug. In the next video, we'll be looking at one of the biggest enemies of your engine, overheating. How to know if your engine is about to overheat, or why is your engine overheating. Please, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you for watching.